and Adrian, owner of an auto business. Sorry. Sorry. Lucky I've got some water. Too long a speech. Sorry, my voice has gone.